Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your home. In our last classes, we had completed term 1 portion of English main course glitter. So, from today onwards, we will start our grammar portion of term 1. Okay, so in grammar, the first chapter which we are starting from is chapter 12, pronoun. So you all have to write the definition of pronoun first of all on your notebook grammar section. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. I hope you all know that what is pronoun. Pronoun किसे कहते हैं? Pronoun is a word which we use in place of noun. Noun के place में जो word use किए जाते हैं, these are called pronoun. So read the following sentences. Rita is good student. Rita complete her homework every day. Rita has many friends. Rita also dance well. Here we are using Rita and Rita again, which is not sounding good. It sounds little awkward. So for writing this sentence in a good way, we have to use pronoun in place of Rita. So the word which we are using in place of Rita is she. Rita is good student. She completes her homework every day. She has many friends. She also dances well. Now, here we can see types of pronoun. You all have to write types of pronouns and you all have to learn also. Definition of pronoun and types of pronoun you all have to learn. Types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, possessive pronoun. There are 6 types of pronouns. First of all, we will study all these pronouns here today. Personal pronoun. Pronoun which are used in place of names of person, animals and things are called personal pronoun. Like the book is laying on the table. Pick it up. Here it. Because it's a personal pronoun. We are talking about this particular book. Here it stands. Here it stands in place of book. It is a personal pronoun. It is a personal pronoun. There are 3 forms of personal pronoun. First person, second person and third person. Read the following conversation between Aman and Varun. Here, Aman and Varun. I am going to the park to play. Will you come? No, let us wait for Raj. When will he come? He will come at 6 o'clock. I is the person speaking. I is the person speaking, who is Aman. You is the person spoken to, who is Varun. He is the person spoken about, means Raj. Here 3 persons are given. I, we are pronoun of the first person. You is a pronoun of second person. He, she, it, they are pronoun of the third person. You all have to write this thing also in your notebook. Like nouns, pronoun can be singular and plural. He will go, singular pronoun. They will go, plural pronoun. So he is singular pronoun and they is plural pronoun. Pronoun have gender. Pronouns have gender. You all know that, I hope. He, masculine gender, male. She, feminine gender, female. It, neutral gender, non-living things and animals. I, you, common gender, both male and female. Okay, because we use I and you for both. चाहे वो male हो चाहे female, we use I and you both. Let us take a look at various form of personal pronoun. First person, second person, third person. First person, I, me, common gender, we, us, plural. Second person, singular, gender is common and it's plural, you. Third person, he, him, she, her, it is singular. Gender, male, female, neuter. He, him, male, she, her, female, it, neutral. So plural. इनका plural क्या है? They and them. Now move to the exercise which is given here. Underline the personal pronoun in the following sentence and write the person for each. They are good in studies like him. Here you have to underline the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun underline करना है and write the person of each. Means you all have to just underline पर्सनल प्रोनाउन को अंडरलाइन कीजिए एंड आपको बताना है दैट विच पर्सन इज दिस, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, so here we can see underline the personal pronoun. So first I will first of all I want to tell you that I will complete only 2 questions of each exercise. You all have to complete rest of the questions by yourself. Okay, they are good in studies like him. Here can you tell me which is a personal pronoun? They is personal pronoun and him is personal pronoun. So from which person they are? They are from they from third person, him from third person. Both pronouns are from third person. So we just have to write like this, third, and here also third. You have to write like this, third. Now Sonia has gone to the market with her. Here the can you tell me which is the personal pronoun? Which is personal pronoun? Sonia has gone to the market with her. Yes, here her is pronoun, but personal pronoun. But from which person it is? Can you tell me that? Yes, it is also from third person. So we can write like this, third. So I have completed 2 questions. You all have to complete all the 3 also. Now next is fill in the blanks with appropriate pronoun. Shubh and Manoj are friends, dash. Now what is the answer here? Shubh and Manoj are good friends. Dash live in Chandigarh. So here we have to use a personal pronoun. Can you tell me which personal pronoun we use here? We can use here they. They live in Chandigarh. They live in Chandigarh. Okay. Next is Neeta is a good student. Dash stands first in class. Here we can write she. She stands first in class. Okay. Now rest of the questions you all have to complete. Next is demonstrative pronoun. Here we can see demonstrative pronoun. Read the sentences. This is a pen. It stands for pen. This is using for pen. Those are books. It stands for books. Those here, those is using for, we used for books. These are pencils. Pencils is used for these. That is a bag. It stands for bag. That is standing for bag here. So here we can see this, these, that and those are pronouns. ये सब क्या है? ये भी pronoun है. But they are demonstrative pronoun. Definition is given here. Demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point out the object or objects which is referred to. Whenever we talking about a particular thing like that, this is a pencil, that is a bag, those are books, then ये सब क्या होते हैं? Demonstrative pronouns these are. Now here you can see demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative pronoun, I hope you all understood what is demonstrative pronouns. Whenever we indicate something, point out something, some object or something they refer to, then those types of sentences are called demonstrative pronoun. Here you can see demonstrative pronoun, and we will also study demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these and those are also used as demonstrative adjectives. Example, this pen has blue ink. Demonstrative adjective, since it qualifies the noun pen. This is the pen that has blue ink. Demonstrative pronoun, since it stands for the noun pen. Here this is standing for noun pen. This pen has a blue ink. Demonstrative adjective, this is demonstrative adjective. Here this is demonstrative adjective. Why? Since it qualifies the noun pen. Here you can see, since it qualifies the noun pen. This here the this is talking about this word. This is talking about the pen. It qualifies about the noun. That's why here this is in this sentence this is demonstrative adjective. And here this is the pen that has blue ink. Here you can say in this sentence, this stands for demonstrative pronoun. Very important thing is written here. A demonstrative adjective is placed before a noun. Always. A demonstrative pronoun is usually placed before a verb. Demonstrative adjective noun के पहले हमेशा आपको दिखेगा. And demonstrative pronoun usually यानी कि most of the cases में verb के पहले होते हैं. Here is the helping verb and before is this is written here. Now, here we are going to start interrogative pronoun. We've just completed demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Now we are going to start interrogative pronoun. Read these sentences. Who has come to meet me? What is the matter? Whom do you want to meet? Which is your book? Here we can see some words in bold, which are question words, we can say. In these sentences, words who, what, whom, and which are pronouns. These all bold letters, bold words are pronoun. They are used for asking questions and are known as interrogative pronoun. Students, these question words are known as interrogative pronoun. You have to write this definition of interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used for asking a question. Interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. Which, what are also used as interrogative adjective. Which and what, these both question words are also used as interrogative adjectives. Examples: which pen is yours? Here interrogative adjective since it qualifies the noun pen. Which is qualifying the noun pen, that's why it's a interrogative adjective. Which is your pen? Interrogative pronoun. This is a asking question, like since it stands for the noun pen. This which here, which is stands for noun pen, that's why it's a interrogative pronoun. An interrogative adjective is placed before a noun and interrogative pronoun is placed before a verb. This is the speciality of interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Now here you can see reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used when the object of the verb is also the subject of the verb. Example is I helped myself. Here myself is, it is the object of verb helped. It is the object of verb helped. Myself and I stand for the same person. So the object is also the subject. They hurt themselves during the game. It is the object of verb hurt themselves and they stands for the same person. So the object is also the subject. Myself, yourself, myself, yourselves, yourself, himself and ourselves are some reflexive pronoun. An emphatic pronoun is used with a noun or pronoun to draw attention or just emphasize. Like here you can see in reflexive pronoun, whenever we talk about ourselves, like here I and myself, they, themselves. Whenever you see like this, the same type of word, they and themselves, I, myself. These are reflexive pronoun, are used when the object of verb is also the subject. Here object and subject both are same, then it is reflexive pronoun. Now, an emphatic pronoun is used with a noun or pronoun to draw attention or just to emphasize. Here we use emphatic pronoun to draw attention or to just emphasize. Example, I myself solve the sum. Myself, ourself, yourself, himself, herself and other emphatic pronoun are some other emphatic pronouns. Reflexive and emphatic pronouns always end in self or selves. Reflexive and emphatic pronoun always end with self or selves. Read the table given below and understand more about reflexive pronoun. Singular, I, you, he, she, it in singular. Reflexive pronoun, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Plural, we, you, they. Reflexive pronoun, ourselves, yourselves, yourselves, and themselves. First person is ourselves, second person is yourselves, and third person is themselves. मीन्स जब सिंगुलर होता है फर्स्ट पर्सन क्या रहता है आई, सेकेंड पर्सन यू एंड थर्ड पर्सन ही शी इट. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में फर्स्ट पर्सन क्या यूज़ होता है माई सेल्फ, सेकेंड पर्सन में योर सेल्फ एंड थर्ड पर्सन हिमसेल्फ हरसेल्फ इटसेल्फ. प्लूरल फर्स्ट पर्सन वी, second person you, third person they. Reflexive pronoun, first person ourselves in plural, and second person yourselves and third person themselves. Now move to the exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive or emphatic pronoun. Here reflexive we have to just put the correct reflexive or emphatic pronoun here. I helped, which word will come here? You all have to complete the 3 questions here. I will complete 2 questions of this exercise. Okay, I helped myself. Okay, I helped myself. Sohana organized the party herself. They helped themselves at the dinner table. I myself managed the show. You should go yourself and look for the lost puppy. Okay. Here in this exercise D, pick the pronoun in the following sentence and say whether they are personal, demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive, or emphatic. Here you have to find out the type of pronoun. Okay. So first one is he himself is the best judge. Here I will tell you a pronoun. He is a personal pronoun. I'm writing personal. P in place of in this blank I'm writing P for personal. Okay. He is here pronoun. He himself is best judge. So he is pronoun. He is a personal pronoun. Second is this pen belongs to him. Here I will underline him, and him is also personal pronoun. Okay. I hope students that you all can do the rest of the exercise by yourself, rest of the questions by yourself. I mean 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, you all have to complete the rest of the questions by yourself, and you have to send me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now move to the next is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership. We don't use apostrophe to show possession. The possessive pronoun are mine, his, theirs, ours, yours, and hers. Let us learn the correct use of possessive pronoun. Here you can see we will learn the correct use of possessive pronoun. The book belongs to me. The book is mine. Bike belongs to me. The bike is yours. The bike belongs to you. The bike is yours. The red handbag belongs to her. The red handbag is hers. Like this, some sentences are written here. Possessive pronoun. First person singular is mine. First person plural is ours. Second person singular is yours, and second person plural is yours. Same. Third person singular is her, hers, and plural is theirs. Here you can see, note the pronoun it does not have any possession form. It is always used as a possessive adjective. Whenever you see somewhere it's, which means it's a possessive adjective. It's not a possessive pronoun. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronoun. Example, these crayons belongs to me. These crayons are mine. These clips belongs to her. So these clips are These clips belongs to her. These clips are hers. This one, H-E-R is hers. H-E-R is hers. Next is, this house belongs to him. This house is his. H-I is his. Okay. So rest of the questions you all have to do by yourself. The horse belongs to them. The horse is theirs. You must learn to keep things neatly. The things are yours. Now, complete these exercises. Rest of the questions by yourself. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjective. My, theirs, our, your, her and its are possessive adjective. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. My, their, our, yours, her and its are possessive adjectives. Examples: this is my pencil. Those are your apples. In this sentence, above my and your are used before noun, pencil and apples, and are doing the job of adjective. Here you can see my and your are before the nouns and doing the job of adjectives. They are doing the kind of job of adjective. Difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Here, a possessive adjective is always used with a noun and it also qualifies that noun. Now here you can see my dress is in the cupboard. Here my is used as noun. Here my is used as a possessive adjective because here dress is the noun and my is before the noun. Before the noun, adjective is before the noun. Possessive pronoun comes after a noun. Here the dress is mine. Dress is noun and mine is possessive pronoun which comes after the noun. Now here you can see in this chart possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Mine, my, ours, our, yours, your, his, hers, her, theirs, their, its. His is used both as possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. His is used as both in the both sides. Example: this is his medal, possessive adjective. This medal is his, possessive pronoun. Now move to the exercise. State whether the underlined words are possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. This is my book, but he says it is his. So here you can see my is underlined and his is underlined. So we have to find out that which is possessive pronoun and which is possessive adjective. So here we can see my is possessive adjective. This is my book, which is this word is before the noun. That's why it's a possessive adjective. But he says it is his. It is his. His is possessive pronoun. His is possessive pronoun. And my is possessive adjectives. So we will write like this: PA, possessive adjective; PP, possessive pronoun. But keep this in your mind. It's important. Now, next is Ruchi says that this is her house, but Naman says the house is his. Here, her and his, two words are underlined. So you have to tell that which is possessive adjective and which is possessive pronoun. Here you can see her, which is before the noun. So her is possessive adjective and his is possessive pronoun. Now rest of the questions you all have to do by yourself. A pronoun must agree in number and gender with the nouns for which it stands. Read the sentences. Jyoti is absent because she is ill. In this sentence, she stands for Jyoti. Jyoti is a singular number of feminine gender. She is also singular number feminine gender. So she is of the same number and gender as Jyoti. Mrs. and Mr. Verma were happy because they bought a new house. Mrs. and Mr. Verma form a plural number. So they is used. you can say. Some more examples. I did not buy the dress because it was expensive. Here in place of dress, it written. Dresses, they written. I did not buy the dresses because they were expensive. Neetu, in place of Neetu, she is written. In place of Tarun, he is written. The students, in place of the students, them is written. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. Here we have to fill up the suitable pronoun. Mother bought some chocolates dash in the jar. They are in the jar. Okay. So let me write they here. They are in the jar. These books are dash. Raman told Raj. So answer is, these books are, I think my is the correct answer. These books are mine. I cannot believe that this piano is, you can write yours. They blamed dash for their defeat. You can write him, her for their defeat. Tia has a new video game. Answer is, Tia has a new video game. She likes to play it. It here. Now here we will find out that correct use of I and me. At times we are not clear whether to use I or me in the sentence. Let us understand their correct usage. Example A, Radha and me or I are going to the market. Divide the sentence into two parts. Radha is going to the market. I am going to the market. Radha and I are going to the market is the correct sentence. Radha and me is not the correct sentence. Example B, Mother asked Sonam and I or me to bring flowers. Divide the sentence. Mother asked Sonam to bring flowers. Mother asked me to bring flowers. Mother asked Sonam and me to bring flowers is the right sentence. Okay. Now circle the correct option in each sentence. Raman and I / me will stay back at home. Which is the right answer? Can you tell me that? Mother and Raman and I will stay back at home. Mother told brother and I / me to clean the study room. So right answer is, mother told brother and me to clean the study room. Here me is the right answer and here I is the right answer. The rest of the exercise you all have to do by yourself. Students, don't forget to write definitions on your notebook and complete all the exercises on book. Don't forget to write something which is written in, whatever is written in the yellow box, which is very important. You must have to write it. Now one more thing, that you all have to complete this exercise review by yourself. It's important. All exercise, I hope you all can do all the exercises. These are very simple exercises which you all can do by yourself. It's a kind of revision for you all. Opposite gender, expression of apostrophe and apostrophe s, fill in the blank, comparative, superlative and positive degrees, fill in the blanks a and the, fill in the blanks using suitable pronoun. I hope you all can do this exercise by yourself. So complete all the exercises, and if you have any doubt you can ask me here. So that's all for today's class, students. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Good day.